Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your favorite girl, Savannah J, and the first thing I would like you guys to do is go down a little bit. You know, just look. Oh, this is my song. Just go down just a little bit, and you're gonna click that red button that says subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, you know, and also make sure you click the notifications so you can know when my videos are up and popping. Why am I getting tongue-tied? Why? Why? We're gonna fix that. Favor is when God disobeys the rules for you. This was stated by my sister, Samara J. She heard it from a sermon that I'm not too sure where it's from, but I'll be sure to add it in there for y'all, just in a bit. But thank you guys, stay tuned. 15 flares inside those ocean eyes. You know you make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I want to give accolades to the hair. Okay, bump that. I ain't saying accolades. We ain't using it. Okay. I want to give big ups, give thanks to all the hairstylists out there for standing up for 30 plus hours a day, not eating a breakfast, lunch, or your dinner, refusing to brush your teeth because you got to get some hair done at 5 or 4 o'clock in the morning. I want to thank you guys for that. I want to thank y'all for bending your backs, breaking your necks, breaking your fingers, breaking your toes, breaking your legs, just to make sure that us as human beings look slayed up. I want to thank y'all. Y'all's are lit. Y'all's all lit. And I just want to be like, you know what? I just want to personally tell you guys, good job. I don't get that enough, but I know for sure that I want to tell y'all, good job. Great job. Great job, sis. Great job. And I applaud y'all for that because you are lit and God has blessed you with a gift and you're willing to share it with these people. Thank you. So as you guys can tell, this video is going to be about hairstylists, being a hairstylist, being in this industry, things that you encounter, things that you experience as being a hairstylist. There is so much, and I see lip just rolling because of this stupid sweater. But there's so much that happens as far as being a hairstylist, you know? And I feel as if not a lot of people give accolades. I mean, it does regard to every other industry out there, any other career. But being a hairstylist does involve a lot of body bending and body breaking. I'm sorry, you're not promised an insurance company or health insurance to make sure everything happens. We gotta pay that good lump sum of $400 a month just to make sure that our bodies are not dying apart. This is okay. I'm killing myself right now. I am killing myself. But this video is just gonna be like little segments I'm gonna create and generate just for you guys to learn about being a hairstylist. There's so much when it comes to being a hairstylist, things that you have to do, things that you have to know as far as being in school, ways to motivate yourself, to keep yourself up, how to continuously just push yourself to do better, you know, because who else is going to do it? You get me? Who else is going to wake up that morning and be like, I want to do hair? Not everybody's going to want to do it. Not everybody's called to do it. I'm sorry, I'm readjusting myself. Okay. Oh, I was sitting on it. It's super annoying. So, first thing first, when it comes to being a hairstylist, is first of all, you have to be passionate. Passionate meaning doing something that you love. A quote that I went along with throughout the years is do what you love and love what you do. If you don't do anything out of love, you're not going to get anything good out of it. So the mentality of these people out there that are just doing stuff because they see that the money is popping, you ain't going to make it that far. I'm not speaking ill over your life, but I serve a God that's too big, and he did not bless a lot of people with that gift of doing hair for no reason. You get me? But it's okay, sis. Do you, boo-boo, do you. Because when the person's hair is falling out or whatever, or you feel as if, oh, sis, patches are, no. Remember, you wasn't doing things out of love. It even says that in the Bible to do things out of love, okay? Oh, hi, we're gonna. I wish I had a cup. I could have sipped my tea. Could have done something. I could have done something. But yeah. So yes, do it. Not do it out of love. Be passionate about it. Make sure it's something that will drive you and push you to go through all these, like, even though, okay, the main reason why our feet be hurting and stuff like that, of course we're standing on our feet for an X amount of time, whatever. We're failing to eat our food, drinking our water, taking our snacks, taking our vitamins, or standing up wrong, whatever. But just be sure to make sure it's something like you're doing it out of love, like you don't mind doing it. You get me? Like if you're willing to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning to do somebody's hair, make sure you're doing it out of love. Don't do it out of spite. Don't do it with the wrong objective. You know, like, oh, I'm just getting $100 out of this. No, that should not be your mindset. The person, like the guest that is getting or receiving that the service shouldn't feel like a dollar bill to you. That it's another human being that sits there and works hard for their money, and they're just coming to you because being a hairstylist requires so much. You have to be someone's nurturer, be a person's therapist, do all of that, all of that. Their listener, all of that. You feel me? I have like a little lint on my nose. Okay, I got it out. But yeah. The second thing I would say is to be your own supporter. I know it sounds a little selfish, but it's your business. You're the one that started doing hair, so you have to be your own supporter. You have to start first because you create that rhythm and you create that beat for people to be like, oh my gosh, I want to follow her, or oh my gosh, I want to do the same thing that you're doing. You create that stance, and who else is going to do it? Like I said, who else is going to do it? It's just going to be you. And of course, you're going to build your name, build your brand or whatever, but it always starts with you. Be motivated. Don't stop. Continue pushing. There's days where you're not going to please everyone, and there's days that you're not going to be pleased of yourself when it comes to your work, which does lead me to my third point, which is be teachable. When you're not satisfied or pleased with your work, or you see someone that's not satisfied or pleased with it, of course, you're going to create a way to make the person feel okay. Like, I will do your hair, or I will give you a few dollars off this service, blah, 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 or I'll give you a voucher. You can get your hair touched up for free. Like, there's so many different options out there. But being teachable means you're willing to learn different skills and never stop teaching yourself. Like, never stop educating yourself. There's so much out there in the hair industry that transforms, even in the beauty industry in general. Makeup game change, your hair install change, wig install change. Like, sis, who gonna tell me this not my hair? First of all, I bought it, so it is my hair, so I don't care. But who's gonna tell you? Like, you know, you have to teach yourself. Make sure you're practicing on people. Put up on social media, hey, who would like to get a free hairstyle, not the hair, hairstyle. So like different ways just so you could practice. Even if so you don't have someone to practice on, purchase a dummy or even practice on yourself. Because with me, I know I started practicing on myself and also on my sister. Thank the Lord that I had a sister that was willing. She was I was able to jack up her hair. I used to spritz the crap out of her hair. So we're gonna leave that for another story. Leave that for another video. Yeah. So which leads me to my fourth point is don't be afraid to make mistakes. There are days where you are going to mess up, you know, and it's okay, because the hair, I feel as if not everyone, you don't learn everything in beauty school, and not everyone's gonna, like, you could go to a class and they teach you something, but until you have to apply it to your everyday life. Like for me, the first one thing I'll say is like doing lace, I think it was lace, let's start lace closure, because lace frontals were nothing at first. So lace closure installs, the first lace closure install was not that cute. I'm gonna go back to my graduation, to prom. Everybody's like, girl, you look cute. I'm like, no, because I left all the front of my hair out, and then I had like a loose wave hair, and I had my hair out right here, the laces back here, and the thing lifting, because I didn't know there was no such thing as sewing your lace down. Like, nobody knew of that. So so I used to try myself, and just learning. I played on myself, and I reused that hair. I mudded that hair. If I could look for pictures of how I mudded that hair, I will include in this video. If not, go on my Facebook and scroll for that, because I ain't scrolling for that, because I was a little embarrassed. I was going through little stages of color in my hair, purple, blue, red, all that color. No, I like this look now. I look a little more mature. Yeah, but whatever. But the hair games, like it changes a lot, and of course I had to mess up on myself, because I have this strategy too that I rather make myself go out there looking scrucky, looking like who done killed a cat before my clients, you know. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. If someone were to text you though, hey, I like a hairstyle, and you've never done it before, please make sure you let that person know that, hey, a good response. Because someone taught me not to ever say no. A great way of saying is just saying yes. But during before that appointment time does come, practice on that, on a dummy or whatever, or inform the person, hey, this is my very first time installing a lace closure install or a lace frontal install on an actual on an actual human being. However, if you don't mind to be my first dummy, and I'll give it to you at this rate. And if the person said yes, go for it. If they say no, it's okay. But at least you're willing to let the person know, because a lot of hairstylists out there will not let the person know if they know how to do their hairstyle or not. And the person's going to come out and then your name gets messed up because you done jacked the crap out of the person's hair. So we're trying to fall away from that. That ain't no bueno, okay? No bueno. And which leads me to my 5th point, is to continue to work hard. Don't stop. Do not stop. When I say work hard, I mean input your work, you feel me? Because your work speaks for itself. Even like how I do it sometimes, there's days where I fall back. Like this month has been crazy. I know I failed at my end of not posting my prom pictures, but oh well, until somebody send me something, I will post it. But for right now, who cares? What I do during my downtime is, of course, do YouTube. But I slay my face and throw on one of my wigs and take some pictures, just so I could continue to improve on my craft and continue to push and give forth people, the social media people, give them something to look at and be like, okay, I see you are improving in your skills. So small things like that does assist when it comes to doing hair and being part of the hair industry. Also, to creating a market strategy as far as creating business cards. Like, I have business cards. Excuse me, I'm like always burping. And I also do sell extensions. So looking for people to partner up with. Girl, I'll talk about that in another video when it comes to getting your hair plug or whatever. But, yeah. But I would suggest that you continue to push hard. Don't be afraid. It's okay to ask people questions. Don't be scared. There's some people that will act as if they bad and bougie and they figure out where they come from. However, there are a lot of hairstylists out there that are willing to spread the word to you of what to do and how to do it. And I'm one of them. I'm still learning. You know, I'm only like 23. Girl, I'm going to get somewhere, but I feel as if I'm not going to stop telling people no, because that's not my place. Like, it's a gift that I've been given, and I'm grateful to use, and I'm happy to spread it, you know. So yeah, I hope this video is pretty short in a way, if that makes any sense. But I'm super happy that I finally got it out my chest so we could start this little Cosmoholic non-anonymous video. But or not so anonymous. I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. We're gonna do not so anonymous video. But yeah, so I hope this helps you guys any way, any shape or form. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please like, comment, and hit your notifications just in case, you know, I decide to drop a video or whatever. Oh, girl, no. I'm sorry, I just read a text message. No. But yeah, so I hope it helped. This is just core stuff because there's so much that goes on in the hair industry, and I can't, like, you're learning something different every day, you know? So I just hope it helps anybody that's out there. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And I hope to see you guys soon. So yeah, I think this is where I add the little cute cheesy outro video. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. Yeah. Did it work? Is it gonna click? I don't know if the video is gonna pop up yet. I think it's gonna pop up right now. All right, bye y'all. Hey.